I am Dr. Lambeau. In the last episode, we learned different candle patterns and their trading signals. I believe you've got a basic understanding of those patterns. Let's continue. Have you ever studied the candlestick charts in the MT4?
Yes!
Have you zoomed out the candles and seen the kind of patterns they turn into? What does it look like? When we draw two trend lines, is it like a symmetrical triangle?
Yes!
This symmetrical triangle was formed in the Euro to US dollar daily chart from February to April 2018. Symmetrical triangles. These triangles are formed when two converging trend lines connecting a series of sequential peaks and troughs. The two converging trend lines should be at a roughly equal slope.
If you want to watch the full version of the video, you can go to TradingLive or download the TradingLive app. Share it to your friends and learn for free.